Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Apple Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet app. Allow while using the app. And thanks to Apple Wallet, you've got access to your boarding passes and tickets. You can add new cards to your Apple Wallet, like transit card, debit or credit card, and check your previous cards. Also, you can check your orders. Tap Get to add your boarding passes and tickets. You can scan your card and find apps for Wallet. Thanks to this function, you can synchronize your cards with your Apple Wallet. If you want to get access to your cards, you can go to Settings, enter your Apple ID, Payment and Delivery, and right here you can add your payment like Apple Pay, credit debit card, Blick, mobile phone, and then you can scan your card or enter details manually. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.